Day 2. English Alphabets and Pronunciation. A to Z sounds vertical bar vowels and consonants vertical bar correct pronunciation tips. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Day 2 of our English learning series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English alphabets, their sounds, vowels, consonants, and correct pronunciation tips. So let's begin step by step. Input symbol for letters ABC Part 1, English alphabets A to Z. English has 26 alphabets from A to Z. Let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are the foundation of English reading, writing, and speaking. But remember, letters and sounds are different. Now let's focus on sounds, not spelling. Speaker with 3 sound waves Part 2, Alphabet sounds, phonics. Every letter has at least one sound. Some letters have more than one sound. Examples: A as in apple, B as in ball, K as in cat, S as in city, D as in dog, E as in egg. Continue practicing like this with all letters till Z. Right pointing backhand index tip, always listen to the sound, not just the letter name. Input symbol for capital letters Part 3, Vowels in English. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are very important because every English word has at least one vowel sound. Examples: A apple, E elephant, I ice cream, O orange, U umbrella. Vowels have short sounds cat, pen, sit, hot, cup. Long sounds cake, me, time, home, use. Correct vowel pronunciation makes your English clear and natural. Input symbol for lowercase letters Part 4, Consonants in English. All other letters except vowels are called consonants. That means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Examples: B ball, D dog, F fish, K kite, S sun. Consonants usually cannot be pronounced alone. They need vowels to form words. Part 5, Correct Pronunciation Tips. Now let's learn some important pronunciation tips. 1. Keycap: open your mouth properly while speaking. 2. Keycap: do not translate English sounds into your mother tongue. 3. Keycap: listen and repeat again and again. 4. Keycap: speak slowly and clearly, not fast. 5. Keycap: practice in front of a mirror. 6. Keycap: focus on sounds, not spelling. Example: enough is pronounced as enough. Knife has silent K. Headphone practice activity for viewers. Pause the video and repeat after me. A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E egg. Practice daily for 10 minutes and your pronunciation will improve. White heavy checkmark conclusion. Today, we learned heavy checkmark English alphabets A to Z. Heavy checkmark letter sounds. Heavy checkmark vowels and consonants. Heavy checkmark correct pronunciation tips. In the next lesson, we will learn simple words and daily use vocabulary. Public address loudspeaker ending line. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in Day 3 of English Learning Series. Thank you. Smiling face with smiling eyes.